Hello everyone, in today's lesson we will learn about the text feature in the main edit panel. Let's type on this text feature to open it. Now under the text feature we have 7 options: add text, stickers, auto captions, text to audio, text templates, auto lyrics, and draw. We will go through them one by one. Let's start with the first one, add text. This is a traditional way to add text to your video content. Type on add text and it will pop up the text input box. You can simply type the text you need here. For example, let's type "Welcome to this lesson." Now under text we can change the font and the style of the text. We can also apply effects. Just type and select the effects that you like. Additionally, we can add animations to our text or apply a bubble effect to make the text look like a sticker. Just like with the stickers, you can use one finger to hold and change the position of the text. You can also resize or delete the text, just like we did with the stickers. Next, let's move to auto captions. Type on it. Now we are on the auto caption interface. The logic behind auto captions is that CapCut uses its AI system to detect the audio in your video and automatically generate captions for you. In the up right corner of this panel, we can select the language for the captions. There are 2 options. Detect language, or choose the specific language you speak in the video. For example, since my video is in English, so I will select English to save time for CapCut to detect the language. Now you can also choose the caption templates. For example, I will select the first one. You can also enable bilingual captions if you want the captions to appear in 2 languages. For example, I will choose French as the second language. If there are filler words in our video, we can enable this Identify Filler Words feature. After setting up the language options, type on Generate to create the captions. And it will be done after a while. Now let's type to view. Welcome to this lesson. Today we will go over the main interface of CapCut. Now we can see CapCut has added the bilingual captions to our video content and it looks pretty good. Now let's undo everything and move to text to audio. Type on it. Here you can type your text in the input box. For example, let's type "Welcome to this lesson." Once typed, we have 3 options for improving the text at the bottom of the screen. The first one is Improve. This will help correct grammar mistakes. The second one is Expand. This will extend your text content. The third one is Shorten. This will make your text simpler. Please note that those options require you to become a pro user to access them. There is also another 2 ways to input text to the box. The first one is extract from the link. If you have a link with text you want to use, you can paste it into this box and CapCut will extract the text from the link. The second one is extract from video. If you want to extract the text from the existing video, you can use this option. CapCut will analyze the video and detect any spoken words and turn them into text. Actually, we have learned about that in the lip sync lesson. After editing, type on Apply. Then you will be able to choose a voice over for your text. You can listen to different voices and pick one that suits your needs.
Welcome to this lesson.
Welcome to this lesson.
You can tap on the More Voice button to find more voice-over options according to the classification of CapCut. For example, I will choose English and select Jesse's voice.
Welcome to this lesson.
Then tap Next. After a while, it will be done. The audio track will appear on the timeline. Let's tap to view.
Welcome to
Welcome
this
to this
lesson.
lesson. Today we will go over the main interface of CapCut. Well, it looks pretty good actually. Now let's delete the audio track and look at the text templates. Type on it. Here you can easily choose from your favorites or select from the official categories in CapCut. For example, let's select a title template. Once selected, you can edit the text by typing on the text box in the monitor. For example, let's change the text into Welcome to this lesson. And type on the check mark. Then immediately the change will be applied. Now let's move to Auto Lyrics. Type on it. Here you can choose the language for the captions, just like in the Auto Captions feature. For example, I will choose English. Once selected, type on Generate. Then the captions will be added to your video. The main difference between Auto Captions and Auto Lyrics is that Auto Lyrics is specially for music videos, where it creates lyrics quickly. Auto Captions feature has more functions. And Auto Lyrics feature has only 5 language options, but the Auto Captions feature has many language options. So that's the difference. Now let's delete the captions and move to Draw feature. Type on it. This feature is ideal for creating freehand drawings on your video. It is designed to let you draw directly on the screen like you are using a pen. There are 2 main pen options. The first one is Basic Pen. This is the traditional drawing tool where you can draw lines or shapes freely. The second one is Pattern Pen. This option lets you draw predefined patterns on the screen. Here's how to use the Basic Pen. First, select the pen style you want. For example, you can choose from the slim pen or the strong pen. Once you select the pen style, you can choose a color for the pen. For instance, you can choose purple, blue, or any color that suits your project. After selecting the pen style and the color, you can start drawing on the screen. You can adjust the size of the pen and change the opacity, which is the transparency of the ink. If you want the ink to be more subtle, lower the opacity. For example, setting a slight transparent pen will give you a lighter effect. If you make a mistake, you can use the eraser tool to remove any part of the drawing. Simply type on eraser and rub up the unwanted areas. Now let's move to the Pattern Pen. With the Pattern Pen, you can draw predefined patterns such as hearts, stars, or abstract shapes. Simply select the pen style you like and draw it on the screen. You can also adjust the size and opacity of the Pattern Pen in the same way as the Basic Pen. If you don't like the pattern you have drawn, you can always use the eraser to remove it. Please note that whatever you drew will finally become a sticker on the timeline. You can do all the adjustments you can as to the stickers. Whatever you drew will finally become a sticker on the timeline. You can do all the adjustments you can as to the stickers. So that's it for the Draw feature. This tool gives you creative control over your video and it's a fun way to add personal touches to your content. Okay, that's all for the lesson today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.